Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jose.
And I'm Emma.
And today we have some banging mac and cheese. Look at that. We also have us...
Here's for all you ASMR folks out there. Just right off the bat, a little bit of pasta noise.
Well, you probably need next to the microphone.
Oh, true. Oh, balls.
You like that?
Okay. You guys, admittedly, we are a little distracted today. There are protests going on here in San Francisco and everywhere, and they are just repeatedly setting off fireworks that sound like cannons. And Teddy is very, very, very not okay with fireworks. So we're probably just going to power through this video and then tend to him. But we hope you enjoy it in any case.
We also have some chachas.
Yeah, we just heated up some sausage and some steamed broccoli. We grilled the sausage. These are, I think they're called bockwurst. I'll check the package and then we'll put it down here. But it's like, they're like German sausages. Yeah. But this is just homemade mac and cheese. I gotta take a bite and then we'll tell you more.
Cheesy.
It's really cheesy. Wow.
Let's see if I don't do this without dropping anything. Oh man.
Did you drop it?
No, but I think I need a hand behind it.
Oh, you need a helping hand?
There you go. Look at that shit.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Hey, baby.
Is she even begging or is she anxious?
She's begging, I think.
Wow.
She likes cheese.
You guys, we've been talking about doing a mac and cheese video for a long time. We thought it'd be a good one, and then also our friend Running Bear requested it a while ago. That's another ASMR noise you just did, like biting into a sausage.
I know.
These are my favorite.
But yeah, Running Bear requested a mac and cheese video, so here you are. However, we need to figure out how to make it so that the food is not washed out the way it is. And we apologize because that's not what we want to do.
Yes, our friend Zissy Melissa suggested that it's probably just has to do with like the fact that there's like so many things that our camera's trying to focus on. I don't know. We always say we're gonna like troubleshoot it one day and then we don't.
Yeah. We're always like, one of these days we have to just take time to like, you know, practice and like do mock videos. And we never do.
This is like super, super creamy and cheesy though.
So yeah, we're all about the protest, just not the fireworks, you know?
Yeah. Say no to fireworks.
We're like snapping, you know?
Or just like being, you know, a meeting of the minds just in your head with no noise, you know? Yeah. If you ever meet a person or a pet who is scared of fireworks, you'll understand. Because it's, it could be just the slightest little tiny noise, but it still freaks them out. I'm gonna get some pasta with some broccoli. You guys, like, the camera's really not doing it justice, but it is like just really ooey gooey and creamy and cheesy.
Yeah. Take our word for it.
It's like lightweight too creamy in a way. Like it's so rich. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all this.
I am for sure. When was the last time I had mac and cheese?
Not
You remember?
the crab mac and cheese that we just had. But before that, like never.
That was good. So we went to this place that kind of has like this, what do you call it?
Like a workaround?
A workaround. Thank you. Look at you. They're like a restaurant and a bar, but it's along the water, and there's like, they set up like little tables outside, and you can go and order food and then take it outside to eat. And it's like kind of like the first restaurant type of food we've had in a while. Hella good.
Yeah, so it's like basically just like a few tables that are really, really far apart, and then you order your food. Jose's adding tapatio to his
Just a little bit.
food. You order your food to go, and then they bring it out like in a to-go bag, but you can like sit at those tables. I'm not sure it's entirely compliant, but
Yeah.
we did go partake, and it was a lot of fun. It's like right on the water. And you can get like, I don't know, let us know in the comments like where you guys are. Can you get like alcohol to go right now because of the whole COVID thing? That's how it was here. Like, they give you like your cocktail. It's like, it's in a plastic cup, but like, I mean, obviously you're gonna drink right there.
Yeah.
So it sort of is like to go, you know?
But it has been hella windy, so it's just like, yes, the food is good. Yes, we're glad we're like, you know, getting some sort of good restaurant food, and it's hella windy.
We got crab mac and cheese, oysters, which I love oysters, and he's kind of like, he begrudgingly eats them.
It's just the oysters.
And then we got cioppino.
That was hella good.
It was so good, but we were like, I'm actually like don't want to talk about it anymore because I was so full after that, and it's like kind of ruining this right now. Like that feeling of being overly full. It's something I'm way too familiar with. We haven't done a lot of pasta on this channel. That's why I like more just like spaghetti.
We did the lasagna.
True. Pasta is like, I would say it's like my death row meal. Like fettuccine alfredo, I love like creamy pasta. I don't order it very often. It's like a total treat.
Yeah, we should definitely do more pasta videos.
Yeah.
But again, just figure out how to make it so that the food doesn't wash out.
I love watching pasta videos on YouTube. Like, it's something I like seek out. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So tell us, how is your quarantine situation now? Is it like, where you're from, are they starting to like open up and stuff? And how do you feel about it? Because we don't know how to feel about it.
I know how to feel about it.
Yeah? She wants a vaccine.
No, I don't. I mean, I don't not want a vaccine. Yeah, I do. I guess I do hope that there's a vaccine. But when are you supposed to use the word vaccine versus vaccination? Do you know?
Well, I think a vaccination would be the act of vaccinating.
Huh. So I would.
And
So it's not. I would like to come out with a vaccination. It's I would like to come out with a vaccine.
Correct. And I may be wrong, but who knows?
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah. All this vaccination talk is making me hungry.
It would be so funny if somebody looked at this video and they're like, "Oh, mac and cheese, cool," and then they just like check out the comments really quick, and people are like, vaccination. Yeah.
So really good.
I know. These are so good. They're my mom used to make them when we were kids. They're super good. I might save my other one for a mid-morning snack tomorrow. I get hungry like immediately. I wake up in the morning and I'm like starving to death. Jose can go the whole day without eating.
Yeah.
Like he can have dinner be his first meal. I would like be in jail if I waited till dinner because I would murder somebody.
We had a little tuna today for lunch.
Yeah, I made
which
some
was hella
tuna.
good.
Because, tuna just makes itself. So
Kind of does. It already looks like tuna out the can, so whatever you add to it, it's just like, yeah, it's tuna.
So hopefully Jose can put this cooking portion together in a way that is not trash, because me making this dish was Panic at the Disco. Like, it was just like,
I was feeling bad for the girl.
I don't think so. I think he was feeling bad for himself being in this relationship. But it was just like, I'm a home cook. Like, I cook at home. I don't measure things. My kitchen, my way, But Leader dog, she's gonna fall. Do you think she's just doing this because Teddy's not up there?
I gave him a little sausage.
All right, well, the truth comes out.
Because of the fireworks.
Did you guys see that? Was I the only one who missed him giving them sausage? Anyway, so yeah, I was just like practically burning things. Like at one point, because we have a electric stove. So like, the coils get hella hot and then you're like, crap, you have to turn it down. It takes forever to cool down. People who cook and have an electric stove, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I was just basically going in between like the pan being way too hot and not hot enough, and I was getting so frustrated. I ended up scorching the bottom, and so luckily I caught it immediately, so I just dumped the sauce into another pot so that it didn't ruin the whole thing. Like, you never would have known that even happened, actually. And so anyway, it was just it wasn't my finest moment putting this dish together, but I have to say it turned out really good. It tastes really good. Like, when you make mac and cheese, like, I think, you want a variety of cheeses. So we have the Velveeta to give it that creamy, really like ooey gooey texture. And then sort of the creamier flavor too, creamier and sweeter. And then the cheddar, it's actually just regular cheddar to give it, the tang and the sharpness, and the cheese pull. And then I grated some Parmesan. Like, I had a block of Parmesan, so I did that on the coarse grater and then mixed that in and put it on top too with some cheddar on top. And so I think it was a good combination, a good combo of like creamy and tangy, like sharp.
Really good.
My mom makes mac and cheese like totally different. She makes the one where you like bake it for a long time, and it gets like to the point where you can like slice it into like a square almost, but then there's like stovetop mac and cheese, which is like creamier. So I try to do like a combo.
Yeah, this is really good. My mom never made mac and cheese.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no.
How would you say mac and cheese in Spanish?
Mac and cheese.
Oh, okay. Well,
it doesn't exist.
I'm sure you guys were all wondering the same thing, and now we know.
Mm-hmm. Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Yeah, but let us know in the comments what your favorite kind of mac and cheese is. Do you like the blue box? Do you like homemade stovetop, creamy with like breadcrumbs on top? Or do you like a traditional like baked southern mac and cheese that even has like egg in it to the point where it's like a casserole and you can cut the block out and eat it with a fork and it stays in the shape of a square?
Yeah, I don't think I'd enjoy that much.
You'd be surprised. They're all good. They're all good in their different ways. In case you guys are wondering, I am wearing a Report of the Week shirt. It says trust in review, brah.
Yeah.
We each have one.
Yeah, so we support our mukbangers and our food reviewers.
We also just really like Report of the Week.
Who doesn't?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, this is my impression of him. Homemade stovetop mac and cheese going in. But yeah, we hope you guys like this video. We didn't like chow down quite as much as I kind of hoped we would. It's just so rich. It's done. Oh, okay. It's super, super rich and creamy. Like, the sauce is like really thick and creamy. And actually, pro tip, like, if you guys do want to make a recipe like this, you can try to follow the recipe if it's even followable. But use, if you like your mac and cheese creamy, like thick, creamy, use a processed cheese, and also use evaporated milk as opposed to regular milk, because those things will hold up to the heat and they won't break. They'll stay creamy and gooey.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know what she's talking about, but yeah, go ahead and try that. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hello, consider subscribing and sharing us with your friends. As always, we have more videos coming out. We will be Mukbang.
And also, if you guys haven't checked out Running Bear's channel, check him out. He does mukbangs. He's done mac and cheese. He requested this mac and cheese. So shout out to you, Running Bear.